machine. Machine with rotary table and turrets. The same as previous, but in addition, instead of some multi-spin heads, we have turrets. Turrets is table which turn with several multi-spin heads on these turrets. We can turn turrets and change a multi-spin head used for machining. One real-life example of this machine and our recent publication on optimal design of such type of machine. Now, traditional standard machining transfer lines with workstation in series. First workstation, second workstation. Here, the line function as follow. Loaded position, first workstation. The spindle heads are activated sequentially. And then after end of takt time, all parts are moved to the next workstation and so on. For this type of machining system, we published several publications. For example, this one, this was awarded by IEE transaction in 2008.